Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the Lofree Flow Lite, a 100-key low-profile mechanical keyboard that promises a premium typing experience without breaking the bank. Lofree has taken its original Flow keyboard and streamlined the design to create a more accessible option, and it seems they have done a great job. The Flow Lite boasts a sleek, minimalist aesthetic. The model we have here is the marble colorway, and the textured ABS body feels surprisingly good to the touch. While it's not the aluminum of the original Flow, the textured surface adds a touch of sophistication and helps maintain a comfortable feel. One of the key features of this keyboard is its low-profile design. Lofree has clearly prioritized ergonomics here, with a lower front height that encourages a more natural wrist position. This, combined with the low-profile mechanical keys, makes for effortless precision and extended typing comfort. If you're someone who spends long hours at a computer, this could be a game changer. Connectivity is versatile, offering 2.4G wireless via a receiver, Bluetooth, and a wired USB-C option. This makes it easy to switch between devices and find a connection method that works best for you. The keyboard is compatible with Windows and Mac, adding to its appeal for a wide range of users. The Lofree Flow Lite features hot-swappable Spectre linear switches. The keys are responsive and provide a satisfying tactile feedback. The hot-swappable design also means you can easily change the switches to customize the feel of the keyboard to your liking. Beyond the core typing experience, the Flow Lite includes some nice extras. There are hotkeys and media keys for quick access to common functions, as well as a volume roller for easy audio control. The keyboard also features backlighting, which adds a touch of style and makes it easier to type in low-light conditions. Overall, the Lofree Flow Lite is a compelling option in the low-profile mechanical keyboard market. It offers a comfortable typing experience, versatile connectivity, and a sleek design, all at a reasonable price point. If you're looking for a keyboard that prioritizes ergonomics and style without sacrificing performance, the Flow Lite is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.